Hey there friends, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm excited to guide you on how to effectively request ChatGPT to describe its capabilities and limitations. So have you ever wondered what ChatGPT is capable of and where it might have its boundaries? It's simple to find out. Start by asking ChatGPT, can you tell me about your abilities and restrictions? So we're gonna do that right now. ChatGPT will then provide you with a clear and concise explanation of what it can do, ranging from answering questions to generating text on various topics. It will also share its limitations, such as not having personal experiences or emotions, and occasionally producing incorrect or biased information. By engaging in this conversation, you gain a better understanding of ChatGPT's strengths and weaknesses, helping you use it more effectively and responsibly. Thank you for learning with me today. Now you have the know-how to inquire about ChatGPT's capabilities and limitations, enhancing your interactions with this incredible tool. Once again, thank you for watching How to Request ChatGPT to describe its capabilities and limitations. Stay tuned for more enlightening videos coming your way soon. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring.